So this is
Today I'm going to teach.
Today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper airplane like this. Also, you can put tape on the top like this. That's why I have the tape. And also, my mom's going to show you how you make this type of airplane. And also, I am in first grade. And I invented this plane with my friend. I'm just not going to say his name. But he helped. I was going to build a bat, but I accidentally made this airplane.
So inventions can do,
So if you make an invention, if you try to make my airplanes and you fail, you could also make a new type of paper airplane.
You never know.
Uh-huh.
All right, so what else do you need? You need paper.
Paper and scissors.
And tape if you'd like.
Yeah, if you want to fold this part up.
Here's the ones we've already made.
Oh yeah,
okay.
And also I can show you. Just give me a second. This one that I made at school. And right now it's right after school.
All right. So the first thing we do with the construction paper
is the hot dog fold.
The hot dog fold. We're going to fold it in half. We're each going to make one. So I'll fold one.
Mom, you make it with the short wings. I'll make it with the long wings.
All right.
Okay, and it doesn't have to be exactly perfect with the hot dog fold, but make sure, like the rib part, like you might want that to be on the outside. So, and then the next step is just cut that part off.
Just cut the rough edges. Like sometimes, like on this piece, you can see that that's a rough edge. So cut the two open edges all the way down.
Okay. And then the next step might be a pretty cool step. This is right. No. Okay. Cut you off too. Sorry, I'm just running a little slow because I'm trying to get this thing off right here. Okay. Then the next step, just make sure you know where your front and your back are, and this part, because sometimes you might accidentally cut that off, like when you have to cut the rough edges. But the next step is figure out your wing length. I'm just going to do it with the long wings, because I like the long wings the best. But don't cut it all the way through. Leave a little space. And then cut almost to the back. And then, okay.
And slightly down, then straight across, and then up. There, and it makes a little tail.
And then the next step is pretty easy. Okay, then you just cut out little area here. If you don't want to cut that out, it's okay. Just that's kind of how the design of the airplane goes. And also, the same friend that did the baseball bat, and I tried to make it, but I accidentally made a paper airplane, which is pretty cool. He made also another thing. He made the fold. So okay. Okay.
So he's making the little fold on the bottom, like you do this.
Okay. Okay. And then after that fold, you get the wings and go.
You fold them in line with your plane.
Paper.
Yeah. Paper.
You go. And then also, again, fold it out again. And then...
Voila!
And then the next step is put the paper on if you want to. And I'll show you how it flies.
Excellent.
And these other planes, these ones are the same thing as this plane. I just made them a little bit tinier. And the same thing. I still need the hot dog fold. And these ones were just like little mistakes of trying to make one of those. But they still look kind of cool. And this is my mom's because I just tried to teach her how to make them.
And I made mine just a little more rounded up here to be more like a commercial plane. So you really have options and you can do whatever you like. Thanks for watching our video.
Oh, don't pause it right yet because can you teach them how to make your plane?
All right, are you gonna?
Yep, I'll hold it. Okay, the video's not over right yet. I'm just gonna show you how my mom's gonna do her design.
And then pick out where you want your wings. Folded side is up here. And I'm gonna do them like this. And then I'm going to take this back and do down, over, and up, because I like the same tail design as, yep, and then we're going to go to the front, and I'm just going to round it up to where they meet. And now I'm going to cut in here. I'm going to do it a little different. Just going to do a half cut there. Then I'm going to fold my wings down and fold this down. And there you go. And again, you can tape across here if you like to make it more secure.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day.
Bye.